guys, this is Rick from All-Star Motors. I want to go for a Sunday drive. Show you how my day went. Let's go. So today we're going to be talking about Stage 2 tune, installing the downpipe, 0 to 60 times, and an unforeseen surprise. So without any more delay, let's start on that downpipe, yeah? Hello, again Rick from All-Star Motors here. As you saw in the car a moment ago, I'm going to swap out that downpipe and flash it with the Stage 2 tune. And again, this is the downpipe we're looking at today. There we go. That's the bad boy there. Alright, let's get to work. First things first, here are the tools you'll need. You should be able to get the job done roughly with these tools. So today from VR Speed Factory, we are going to put in that downpipe. All that really comes in the box is the downpipe. I did go to my local dealership and get new clamps and seals in case mine crap out because it snows here in the Midwest. Before I go any further, you can see a top connector there and a bottom connector right below it. Those two you want to make sure you remove before you completely pull out the downpipe. The first thing I loosen is the top V-clamp here. You're going to have two of these, one up top and the one down below, which I did not record. The image you see here is the bracket holding the downpipe. Two simple bolts will remove the downpipe from the bracket. We finally got the downpipe out, which is a nightmare when you take the bare minimum stuff off. And here's the replacement. What straight pipe looks like. If I can't hold it, straight pipe versus downpipe. All those little cones right there, restricted. So, we've loosened the resonator and the bracket back there. So we get it out, took off the bracket there and put them back into the transmission. And then as you hear my family, right there is my turbo. Yep. That's the bad boy right there. I'm gonna put that downpipe in a moment and we'll start it up. Before I forget, there is a fiberglass seal here. Make sure you remove it and replace it with a new seal. Alright, so after several hours, because the internet lies, that stuff's not easy, that bad boy is now in. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the straight pipe is there, right there. And as I say, once you get the initial stuff off, going in is a lot easier than pulling the original one out, which again is now there. We'll keep that, hold on to it in case I gotta go back to OEM. Right now I'm about to do the Stage 2 tune, so I'll see you in a moment. So really quick, I'm going to run through the tuning process with boot mode. Again, right now we're downloading the Stage 2 tune. It's pretty quick. OTS map, go to 93 octane, I want the aggressive tune. From there, you just click on it, get tune, and just follow the steps. You hit yes, please wait. As we wait, your nerves are wondering, oh, is it going to work? Is it going to work? But yes, it's successful. If you've done it once, you've done it 1,000 times. So again, here's the tune. We go click on it, and we fully install it. Now that we have the Stage 2 tune successfully installed, let's move on to the next part of the video. We talk about 0 to 60 times. And no, unfortunately, not with the Stage 2 tune yet. More of the Stage 1 tune and just overall differences from stock to tune. So as you see here, I did a 0 to 60 pull in Mexico, of course, on a stock at 48 degrees Fahrenheit or 9 degrees Celsius, and got just under 5 seconds. So now that you see I'm doing pulls on the Stage 1 tune, I can't get below 5.5 seconds multiple times. And the temperature is a lot different at 82 degrees Fahrenheit and 27 degrees Celsius. So looking back at these numbers, it's quite eye-opening or shocking how much temperature plays a role in this. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. So, it's going out for a morning drive, because that's what you do. And this happened. I figured out what I hit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I just saw you pull over and turn your head and I want to make sure.
Yeah, no, I freaked out when I seen that when I had seen the bird and I heard it and I was like, oh no. But yeah, I've hit a raccoon before and it's blew out my whole bumper. I don't think the bird would do that, but it's stuck in there, so now I'm trying to get the bird out. Okay. Thank you though. So I don't know if you guys caught that, but that was a cop saying I pulled over and put my hazards on. Meaning they've seen me doing my These are the 60 poles out here. But anyways, can't put the camera around. Got that bird stuff. Good times, Ricky. Good times. So yeah, I'll figure that out right now. I'll let you guys know as I record my chin. So real quick, now I'm in a safer location. Got the bird out. I'm about to bury him. So yeah, that was my day. I hope you guys found it enjoyable. At the end, I'll try to fit in some clips of before, during, and after of my exhaust stuff when it was OEM, stage 1, downpipe, and then downpipe with stage 2. Stay to then. As always, like, subscribe, and share it if you want. That's different, right? Peace. Till next time, guys.